Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 10 different ways to say beautiful. Let's enhance your English vocabulary together. Stay tuned for some fantastic words and their sentence examples. First up, gorgeous. This word can describe something or someone truly stunning. For example, she looked absolutely gorgeous in that red dress. Next, we have stunning. It conveys a sense of awe-inspiring beauty. Imagine saying, "The sunset over the ocean was simply stunning." Third on our list is breathtaking. It's perfect for something that takes your breath away. Try, "The view from the mountaintop was breathtaking." Exquisite is another elegant choice. It suggests something beautifully intricate. You might say, "The handmade jewelry was absolutely exquisite." Radiant is ideal for describing someone who glows with beauty. For instance, her smile was radiant and lit up the room. Lovely is a charming and versatile word. Use it like this: "The garden was filled with lovely flowers in full bloom." Let's not forget alluring, which implies a mysterious and captivating beauty. You could say, "Her eyes were alluring, drawing everyone in." Charming is perfect for a delightful and pleasing appearance. Try, "The quaint village was absolutely charming." Next is elegant, often used for graceful beauty. An example would be, "She wore an elegant gown to the gala." Magnificent is a grand way to describe something impressively beautiful. For example, "The palace was a magnificent sight to behold." Finally, we have picturesque, ideal for a scene worthy of a picture. You might say, "The countryside was so picturesque, like a postcard." Thank you for joining us today. Now you have 10 new ways to express beautiful. Practice using them in your daily conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.